There's never been a better time for country music than right now. Country music is country again, baby. I'm Braxton Keith. I'm from Midland, Texas, and I'm Dickel's class of 25. Merle Haggard's been my favorite artist because he knows how to evolve. Back in the day, he was kind of like on the fence of, people didn't think he was country in his time, and now that's country music. Being a fan of classic country is insane because my heroes, I've never got to see play, and all I've heard is what's been recorded of them, which is just crazy to me to think that these people who've been dead for 20 years or so have had such a big impact on my life. I've been writing songs in Nashville for the last 3 years, and that's when I really started to progress as a songwriter, was collabing with these other artists and get to the best version of that song. In the future of my career, I hope that I'm always doing music. I hope that I can die on stage one day. I want to be surrounded by my friends doing something that I love. There's nothing like it. I wouldn't trade it for the world. My music is definitely neo-traditional. I've got like an 80s vibe with a new school twist, and Dickel's just like that. I mean, you gotta adapt or die. Well, my new single sounds really good, but my new album sounds like Merle Haggard pouring him some Dickel. I'm excited for this new record to come out because it's country to the bone. I can't wait for y'all to hear it.